Hi guys, in this video we're gonna do unboxing of Master Grade Unicorn Event Limited version. So this kit was released back then in 2015 on the Gundam Docks at Hong Kong 2 event. The base kit is Master Grade Unicorn Verka, but the finishing is gold. Not like a shiny plating gold, but more like a satin finish gold like the Master Grade Hyakushiki 2.0. This kit also comes with the special hongkongdock marking sticker. Other than that, the most part is similar like the original Verka. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you on the next one.